Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to change monitor to vertical view. First, navigate to your desktop screen and right-click on an empty area. From the context menu that appears after right-clicking, select the option labeled Show More Options. In the Extended Options menu, locate and click on Display Settings. This will open the Display Settings menu. Within the Display Settings menu, find the section labeled Display Orientation. From the drop-down menu under this section, select Portrait to change the display orientation. Once you've selected Portrait as the display orientation, confirm the change by clicking on the Keep Changes button. To revert the settings, again, right-click on the empty area of your desktop screen. Select Show More for the context menu. Choose Display Settings from the Extended Option menu to access the Display Settings menu. Locate the Display Orientation section and change the orientation back to Landscape from the drop-down menu. Confirm the change by clicking on the Keep Changes button. Following these steps will allow you to change the display orientation to Portrait and then revert it back to Landscape if needed. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see you in the next video.